Here we go, folks. We are back Monday morning, start of a new month, clean slate. Hope you had a great Halloween weekend. We have got a massive week on tap. I don't even know where to start. Stock market now, we are about 30 minutes into the open, trading a little bit higher. We are in the midst of earnings season. So again, we continue to see these strong earnings reports. On the back of that, we continue to see stocks move higher. Now, what do we have on tap for this week? Well, it's a big central bank week across the globe. Royal Bank of Australia today. We've got the Fed meeting here in the US on Wednesday with their policy announcement. We've got the Bank of England meeting coming out on Thursday with their policy announcement. And then Friday's the biggie, non-farm payroll jobs report for the month of October. A lot going on. We've got a climate summit going on overseas. There's a lot of potential headline risk due out this week. FX today, as you would expect ahead of these big central bank meetings, not a lot of activity. Seeing the dollar pretty much flatline. Keep your eye on that Aussie dollar though with that RBA meeting. Second to that, the big mover this morning, as you would expect, and it's been the big mover over the past couple of weeks. We talk about it nonstop. Oil up another 1.5%, now just shy of $85 a barrel in WTI. So if you're looking for that activity this morning, you're probably going to find it over in that oil market. All right, folks, new month. Like I said, clean slate. Let's get after it. Let's make ourselves a better trader. Get into some of our education. Get into our demo platform. Play around. Let's create some price action. I'll see you tomorrow.